Good morning، صباح الخير. اليوم رايحين على البحر الميت. أنا ومين؟ هاي أنا وأحمد أخوي. We're going to the Dead Sea. Me and my brother, my little brother Ahmad, and we're gonna show you some interesting stuff there. We're gonna camp there on the beach. We're gonna see some good stuff. We'll see you then. Now we're gonna drive there. It's gonna be a 2.5 hours drive. So we're still on our way. We have an hour and a half left, and we'll get to the Dead Sea. Here's Ahmad. How do you feel, Ahmad? كيف شاعر؟ تمام؟ مبسوط؟
نعم.
شو بدنا نروح نساوي؟
نتسبح.
ايش بدنا نساوي؟
نتسبح.
شو كمان؟
نتدرب.
طلع الكاميرا طيب. شو نعمل كمان؟
الله أعلم.
His camera shy. Yeah. We have an hour and a half left, and then listen. We're going 500 meters below the sea level, and now we're on our way actually. So enjoy the view. يعني احنا 200 متر فوق سطح البحر، فهلا راح نكمل. So we are now 100 meters below the sea level. يعني هلا احنا 100 متر تحت سطح البحر. Look at this guys. We got to the Dead Sea. Now just enjoy the view for a moment, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys. Guys, do you know that you would never drown in the Dead Sea? You will never drown in the Dead Sea unless you're stupid. kind of. But I'm gonna show you right now. شباب انتوا يعني اكيد بتعرفوا تقدرش ولا مرة تغرق في البحر الميت، بتضلك طافي على سطح المي. You will stay floating on the surface, like sea surface. You know what I mean. We're getting in the water. So yeah, we got basically in the water. Look at that. This is Ahmad. Look at him. He's floating. That's so nice. The water is so hot because it's like 40 Celsius degrees here. Wow.
Never die.
Look at this.
Woo!
I never drown. Look at this. It's an actual salt, like salt, and it's really heavy. It's like 4 or 5 kilograms. Like يعني 5 كيلو تقريبا. هاي ملح، العادي ملح. And now, after the Dead Sea, we swam for like an hour and a half. Now we're going to our next spot, which is the Ein Gedi hiking or something. Yeah, we're gonna hike at Ein Gedi, which is a very beautiful place. هلا احنا خلصنا سباحة في البحر الميت او في الشط على الشط هون، وراح نروح على منطقة اسمها عين جدي او عين جدي بالعربي. هناك منطقة كثير حلوة، راح نمشي مسار جدا جميل وفي شلالات ومية أشياء كثير حلوة، فيلا نروح. So we're here in Ein Gedi. Look, we got to the kind of river here, to the fall. Wow. That's so cool! I freaking love it! Wait. Yeah, we're gonna continue our hiking. Water and like falls and stuff in the middle of the desert. Like, wow, this is how beautiful my country is. I love this place. I really love the nature of this place. Like, look where I'm sitting, look. Look. Took a break, just a little break here. Look, what are we viewing at? What are we looking at actually? We're almost done here after like 40 minutes hiking, and we're going back down there. Back to this fall. Wow. Wow. So we're actually done here and on our way to the camping ground. We're gonna put our stuff there and then just check out the area here and yeah, see what the nature offers us today. Let's go. I'm exhausted actually, you can see guys. Look at this. We see a lot of whitetails and elks and mooses in Canada, but we don't see like these guys here. Look at that. Ah. We're on our way to the camping ground. So guys, we got here to the campground. It's really beautiful. It's called Ein Gedi.
لقيتها وتبعت تجرى ملكتني وسكنت قلبي خلتني بحبها مسبي راه بيا عالم ربي وبحبها más a mi lado, corazón. En mi alma solo tengo soledad. Y si ya no puedo ver que Dios me hizo querer para hacerme sufrir más. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir. Adorarte para mí fue religión. En tu beso se encontraba el calor que me blindaba, el amor y la pasión.
This is our tent for tonight. Look at this view that you're gonna wake up to. I took a shower and I'm ready for tonight. I don't know what I'm ready for, but we are ready for tonight.
عليا حتى ذوق كي نشوفها يزوروا الهموم. يا ربي واش غسيل أنا في الحب ما تعدي.
So we ate and now we're gonna just go to the tent and start trying to sleep. Here's Ahmad. I wish you guys could see the stars the way I see them. The camera is like couldn't show you. Guys, we got some problems with our tent, some issues. So we decided just to take our stuff and just leave that campsite, which is amazing. It was so beautiful. What are we gonna do, Ahmed? Talk. We're gonna go and find
to safe place
yes.
and ننام بالكار sleep in the car.
Yeah, and we're gonna just sleep in the car in the back seat. Yeah, let's do it. It's an adventure. It's amazing. So after we left that camping site, we decided to look for someplace else to camp at. But you know, we can't put our tent, so we decided to do that. Here's Ahmed with the flash and our Jeep. Yeah, and here is the ocean, like the Dead Sea behind me. So we're gonna wake up and see the Dead Sea in front of us.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna see some beautiful view when we wake up. We're living our beautiful moment here. It's amazing. I can't even describe it right now. It's like literally I feel happiness in my heart. Like wow. I can't describe what I see from here, but it's really amazing. It's really amazing. يعني صعب الواحد يوصف مدى السعادة اللي في قلبه في هيك محل يعني صعب حتى اوصفك وشو انا شايف قدامي.
والله عن جد
يعني اشي رهيب 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 جدا. شو رايك احمد؟
والله حلو.
اشي خرافي. راح نصحى الصبح وافرجيكم ايش شايفين. Now we're gonna sleep because we're gonna wake up and drive for like 2 hours. Sorry, my eyes are closed because I can't even open them from this light. But yeah, because we're gonna wake up and drive for like 2 hours and a half. But before that, we're gonna go to the mall, eat something. Good night, Ahmad.
طيب.
Good night.
اسكت.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good evening.
Good evening. Look at the moon. It's incredible. Like it's amazing. شوف الأمر ما أجمله. Wow. Good morning. And here what we see. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's worth it. It's worth the freaking hard night. It was really hard because we didn't sleep good actually. But yeah, it was worth it. Look at this, guys. We're watching the sunrises. I freaking love that. I'm shooting a time lapse with my other camera here. See? Shooting a time lapse for this. I don't know. Yeah, here. For the sun. Of the sun. Wow. Just wow. We're heading home right now, and before that I gotta stop to buy some water, coffee, breakfast for me and for this little mad kid. He's so thirsty that he's mad about it. Yeah, I'm gonna just stop for a while and then continue driving because we still have 2 hours and 10 minutes to drive. Let's go! Because we're already in the area and I don't really want to go home straight, I decided to come to Jericho, which is Ariha in Arabic, and eat some hummus and fool, which is the Palestinian traditional breakfast. So we love Jericho. And here is our breakfast for today. صح أحمد. هيك فطورنا في أريحة. And we're heading right home right now. So we're just going home to rest. He's still asleep and I'm driving. I can't even wake up. I can't even open my eyes. I'm so freaking sleepy. Just want to go home and sleep. This is my wish right now. I'm gonna be home in like 15 minutes and this dude is still sleeping. We are in Kalansawa, which is my hometown. That's it. We're done for this trip. See you in the next trip. Just a sec. I will show you my hometown. Look at this logo. It's a strawberry because we are very famous and popular with strawberry. With the strawberries. So yeah. So we got here to my hometown and this trip is done. We'll see you in the next trip. It's gonna be very soon actually. Ahmed, did you enjoy the trip? انبسطت? He's just sleepy. Although he slept all the way, like I don't know what the hell is going on with him. Yeah, we'll see you soon guys. Take care and love you all. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not and leave a like and a comment and see you soon.